our topic for today is all about multiplication and division of integers. Please enjoy watching. Okay, so let's start in multiplying integers. So how do we multiply integers having the same signs? Okay, when you multiply two negative numbers or two positive numbers, then the product is always positive. So don't forget that. When we're multiplying two negative numbers and two positive numbers, the product is always positive. Okay, for example, so if we have positive 5 times positive 7, so it is equal to positive 35. So we were multiplying two positive numbers, so the answer is positive. Okay, example number 2. So we have positive 9 times positive 8. The answer is equal to positive 72. Okay. Next, example number 3. So negative 12 times negative 4 is equal to positive 48. So they are both negative signs, so that is positive. Okay, example number 4. So we have negative 10 times negative 8. So that is positive 80. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. When you multiply a negative number by a positive number, then the product is always negative. So if we're multiplying different signs, the product is always negative. Okay, so different signs is always negative. Okay, so we now proceed to our examples. So example number 1. So if we have positive 6 times negative 5, it is equal to negative 30. Okay, so we now proceed to example number 2. So we have negative 4 times positive 7 is equal to negative 28. Okay, example number 3. Positive 3 times negative 12 is equal to negative 36. Okay, so now we now proceed to dividing integers. So how do we divide an integers? So when you divide two negative numbers or two positive numbers, then the quotient is always positive. Okay, dividing integers is the same as multiplying an integers. Okay, let's now proceed to our examples. So positive 15 divided by positive 3, the answer is positive 5. Example number 2, we have positive 48 divided by positive 6, the answer is positive 8. Okay, example number 3, so we have negative 50 divided by negative 10, the answer is positive 5. Okay, example number 4, negative 63 divided by the negative 9, it is equal to positive 7. Okay, so we now proceed to integers dividing different signs. So when you divide a negative number by a positive number, then the quotient is always negative. Always remember, when we're dividing negative and positive integers, the answer is always negative. Example number 1, negative 45 divided by positive 5 is equal to negative 9. Okay. Example number 2, positive 72 divided by negative 9, it is negative 8. Okay, so I want you to answer these exercises. So I will give you enough time to answer this. Okay, so these are the answers. I hope you got it correctly.
Can we talk closer now?